If you've lost your AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max, and they're out of battery, locating them can be challenging since they won't transmit a signal. However, you can use the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or computer to view their last known location and activate lost mode. Simply open the app, tap on Devices to see your AirPods, and check the map for their last recorded position. If they're nearby and have some charge, you can get directions to their current location. Always remember to check with customer service in places like stores or offices if you lose them. To set your AirPods to lost mode, follow the prompts in the app to enter your contact number. This way, if someone finds them, they'll be able to reach you. Lastly, think about where you last used your AirPods and search common areas where lost items may end up. If all else fails, consider purchasing new AirPods and attaching an Apple AirTag for easier tracking in the future.